Up. Tuh, you good? Iya. Iya, you good? Hah? Bro? Oh, God. Ini saya jual banyak. Oh, ini jajan. No, nggak apa-apa jajan. Kenapa Mio? Iya, siapa? Oh, elephant churera. Tuh, elephant churera. Elephant churera. Hah? Yang kan cewek sana.
Who is to blame? Both humans and animals need to eat. And even now, people are trying to live in areas where the conflict between wild elephants and humans take place.
Iya.
It is difficult to find a solution for harmony.
Bisa jajan jualan.
Bapak abang.
Iya, bapak pang-pang kan.
Yang mana bobok hilang.
Iya, dan saya tak jualan. Iya.
Bapak tuna.
Iya, di sana. Nasi. Iya. Tuh, kan? Itu bapak nasi. Nasi. Iya. Oke, tidak tahu apa-apa. No, tasnya enak. Oh, tuh. Oh, yo. Oh, dia tahu. Oh. Oh, nama bapak dia tahu. Sama ya pamang lah. Nah, bapaknya hanya. Oh, nih tas yangnya nih, Laila pangmang nih. Tuh pangmang tuh. Hop. Iya, pangmang tuh di up tuh. Oh, tuh kan, di pangmang. Pertama.
Should we let this conflict continue without doing anything? Should we let
Tuh.
these beautiful and amazing animals become extinct? It's time for us to be aware and care about elephants' conservation, so
No,
they can be
Yuyung,
conserved and
Yuyung.
still exist for the next young generation.
Iya.
Elephants are not the enemy for humans,
Tuh
but
kan,
they can
ketang.
live
Sedikit-sedikit.
peacefully with
Iya.
us. Our elephants presentation shows us
Yeah.
why the conflict between wild elephants and humans happens. Because elephants and humans are competing for the same forest areas. And to overcome the conflict, Taman Safari Indonesia, supported by the government,
Yeah.
have opened an elephant education and conservation center that is located in
Over
Waikambas,
there.
Riau, and Aceh in Indonesia. Hopefully, such action inspire change and protection of wildlife. Because wildlife everywhere need us to protect the forest habitat that is home to many creatures,
No.
great and small.
Kata siang Yuyung.
Para pengunjung Bali Safari and Marine Park, semoga Anda terinspirasi untuk melindungi satwa-satwa liar di dunia. Karena mereka memerlukan kita untuk melindungi hutan dan habitat mereka.
Yuyung.
The Sumatran elephants are located solely in Sumatra in Indonesia and have a history that goes back many centuries. They have been used in forestry for hundreds of years and also for ceremonial purposes. And now to understand a little more about some characteristics of our Sumatran elephants, please make welcome onto the stage the beautiful Della.
Cile.
Putri, please give a applause. Hi Della, how are you today? Good? Della is about 29 years old and now will help us to show you the differences between Asian and African elephants. Jadi ini Della usianya 29 tahun akan membantu kita membedakan gajah Asia dan gajah Afrika. You can see it has a large body standing up to 3 meters tall with super strength weighing up to 4,000 kilograms. And they're spry smart creatures and also have great memory. Okay, firstly, you can see the difference from their trunk. Asian elephants have one finger on the top of their trunk, while African elephants have 2 fingers, one at the top and one at the bottom of their trunk. Gajah Asia memiliki 1 jari pada ujung belalai mereka, sedangkan gajah Afrika memiliki 2 jari, 1 di atas dan 1 di bawah ujung belalai mereka. And now, can you all see the tusk? For Asian elephants, only the male have long tusks. The female has small and short tusks, while African elephants, both male and female, have long and strong tusks.
Mantap tuh.
Gajah Asia hanya yang jantan gadingnya panjang, dan untuk gajah Afrika baik jantan maupun betina gadingnya sama panjang. Okay, thirdly, you can see the difference from the ears. Asian elephants have small ears, while African elephants have larger ears, and they will flap their ears to cool themselves when they get hot. Gajah Asia memiliki telinga yang lebih kecil dibandingkan gajah Afrika. Okay, finally, Della will show you her front leg. Please lift up your leg, Della. Come on. Alright, okay, good girl.
Legnya up.
Asian elephants have 5 hard nails on the front legs. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And they have 4 hard nails on the hind legs. While African elephants have 4 hard nails on the front legs and 3 hard nails on the hind legs. Gajah Asia memiliki 5 kuku pada kaki depan dan 4 kuku saja pada kaki belakang. Sedangkan gajah Afrika memiliki 4 kuku di kaki depan dan 3 kuku saja pada kaki belakang. Well, that was a beautiful performance by Della. Best regards from Della by waving her tongue. We would like to thank you for visiting Bali Safari and Marine Park, and I would like to invite 3 adult participants to come up onto the stage because Della has special gift for you. Jadi kami akan mengundang 3 orang dewasa untuk naik ke atas panggung karena Della memiliki hadiah spesial untuk Anda. Okay, please raise your hand. Okay, starting from this side. More excited, please. Okay, yes, you start in the middle row. Yes, please stand up. In gray. You sir. Okay, yes, you lady. Okay, from this side. Okay, yes, you lady in the middle row too. Yeah, in striped shirt. Please follow my friend. And now from this side, I need one.
Nih, cemeng nih Cece.
Okay. Okay, yes, you sir. In the last row. In red, yeah, please stand up and follow my friend. Okay, let me show you the way to come up onto the stage. At the Elephant Education and Conservation Center, this wild elephant can be trained and educated. This conservation project can help to reduce the conflict between wild elephants and humans. And by you visiting our park today, this also help to understand and conserve this highly intelligent animal. Okay, now we have the beautiful ladies with one gentleman on the stage. Okay, hello everyone, how are you? Okay, right now we are going to make one line in front of the elephant. Okay, we'll be starting by Milan. Okay, the first one, please stand up here. Okay, facing toward the elephant. Okay. What's it for? Okay, India. Thank you. And then you, sir? Okay, sir. You are the next one. Please stand up. Okay, thank you. And lady, you'll be the last one. Please stand up here. Okay, now Della will give you the present, so please don't move, just look at Della. And before we start, would you please take off your sunglasses? The lady will help you. And is it possible for you to take off your glasses? Okay, the lady will help you. Thank you. Now is everyone ready? Okay. Is everyone ready? Alright. Come on, Della. The first beautiful lady is waiting for you.
Tuh.
Okay, Della has a part of beautiful flower chain for the beautiful lady. Give it to the lady, Della. Alright, here she goes. 1, 2, and 3. Good job, Della. Beautiful. You look so beautiful. Thank you so much. Please wait a moment up there. Thank you. And then you are the next one, sir. Please stand up.
Ya.
Feeling nervous? No? Okay, that's great. Okay, don't worry. Della is a good girl. But sometimes she can be very shy. Okay, don't be shy, Della. Gentleman is waiting. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Lovely, Della. Thank you so much, sir. Please wait a moment over there. Thank you. And then you are the last one, lady. Please stand up.
Sini kayak mana?
Okay, don't be nervous. As I said before, Della is a good girl.
Harapan
Come on, Della, be a good girl. The next beautiful
flower
lady is
to you.
waiting for you. Alright, she's coming closer. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect, Della. Okay, lady. Please don't go anywhere just yet. Because you are the last participant, you are very lucky today. Yeah, Della has another special gift for you. Are you ready for that? Yeah. Okay, would you please facing toward the audience? Okay, may I know your name, lady? Mel, where do you come from? Australia. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have Miss Mel from Australia. By the way, lady, today is very hot, isn't it?
Oh,
Yeah, it's
so ini.
so hot today.
Okay, just.
Do you have any plan to swim today?
No.
Yeah, don't worry. I'm just asking, so please just stay still and look toward the audience. And because Della is very shy, would you please close your eyes and don't move?
Nah, nih.
Close your eyes.
Nih.
Okay, Della, what is that, Della?
Oh, what is that? What is
Don't
that?
be naughty, Della. What is that present? Oh,
Oh, ini kiss.
that was a big kiss from Della. You got a kiss from Della. How do you feel? Lovely.
Oh, yeah, the
Okay,
kiss.
you like the kiss? Okay, she likes it. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a applause to all participants, Della and our keeper. Let's do that for Della by waving her arms. Okay, everyone, thank you so much. Now you can go
Okay,
back
Della,
in.
ya.